Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're just going to see how to create the smooth Canva or text effect on your Canva mobile app. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe for more content. So how to create a golden text effect on your Canva application, I just going to show in this video. First of all, just scroll on the side, click on the apps. Now we just need to type as Text Studio. So just search as Text Studio in the app section. So you can find a Text Studio application or app inside the Canva application. So after selecting Text Studio, you can find the first application just talking about. Click on the Text Studio Maker. Then you just need to click on the search option, search effect here. Just type as gold. So after typing as a gold, you can find a different type of golden text effect. So I can prefer this black shade gold effect, which is really look awesome. So this is a golden effect. So you can just select the font. It's have a library, so you can just choose the font and also the text curve. You can just adjust the text curve and also the colors, and also you can adjust the shadow if you just need it. You can just turn it on and turn it off. So after creating all the designs, click on the add design option, which will add the design to your image. If you want a perfect golden text effect without doing much efforts, just create this preset effect and just type whatever you just needed. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.